Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the registry errors on your Windows. So this is just a very straightforward tutorial, so let's go quick into it. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type CMD. On the right pane, you have to click on Run as Administrator. Now here in this block window, type this command sfc space / scan now. It's sfc space / scan now, hit enter. So this is the system file checker scan. This will scan for, fix, and repair all system corrupted files on your window, which is a very helpful fix. So while the process is going on, do not close the window. You can just simply minimize it, and once this is done, then you just need to simply close out of here. Then go ahead in the Windows search bar, type CMD again. On the right pane, you have to click on Run as Administrator. Now here in this block window, you need to type this command DISM space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health. It's DISM space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health, hit enter. So this is the process of this, or this process will repair your Windows image. So while the process is going on, is you should not close the window. And here's a tip: if you are stuck at a certain percentage during the process, just continuously press the space key on your keyboard until the process will continue. And once the process has been successful, close out of here. Make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And for the next method is we have to click on the start button, go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply click on system. Scroll down and you'll find recovery, reset, advanced, startup, go back. So here you'll find the recovery option, which is reset this PC. Click on this. But here is a reminder: if you're going to go on with this method, make sure to back up everything. Make sure to back up all your data, personal files, app, and settings. Again, you need to back up everything. Then you have to click on this option, remove everything. Then you have to click on cloud download, and after that, this will reset your PC. Then you just need to sign in again into your Windows, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.